Come here, you. Come here, you. For just for a minute, please. Yeah, Rogue. Beautiful. Oh. No, I know. That's better. There you go. That's better. Yeah. What are you doing down there? She's like, nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Are you wagging your tail at me now? Are you wagging your tail? Mwah. Are you wagging your tail? That's good, puppy. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Oh, thank you. You just gonna put yourself in the corner? She's like, yep. Just gonna put myself in the corner. Yes, thank you. You smiling? She said, I'm Estrella and I'm smiling. Are you gonna go home soon? You're happy you can go home? Puppy. Hi. Oh. Ow. Thank you. Very good. You gonna do this again? Oh, yes, good girl. Don't forget who I did. I don't know if I got you. Are you gonna get this? Are you gonna get this? Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Yes! Wow! That's a foot. That hurts. Yeah. There she is. She says, oh, I can do this. I can steal a toy. I can do toys. I can get it. I can get it. I can get it. Yes! Good girl! Nice job, Mama. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's what we eat instead. No eating of my things, please. Thank you. Yeah, what do you think? Oh. What do you think? Oh, it's right here. Ready? Ready? Not you. You have to move. What's this? I think I'm trying to get a good picture of you, and it's not working. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, puppy down. Beautiful. Yes. Good girl. Nice job. What about you? You get this instead? I want to get you. I'm going to get you. I want to get it instead. Hold on. Ready? You have to wait. There's half a wait there. I don't want a double trouble. Ow. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Ready?